Hello, everyone. Welcome to another video on our finance channel. Today, we're going to talk about real estate investments, a very interesting option for those who want to diversify their investment portfolio and increase their income. We'll discuss financing options and strategies for finding the best properties. So, if you want to learn more about investing in real estate, keep watching. 1. Understanding the different types of properties. To start, it's important to understand that there are different types of properties available for investment. You can invest in residential, commercial, or even land properties. Each type of property has its own characteristics and advantages, so it's important to choose carefully. Residential properties are properties where people live, such as houses, apartments, and condominiums. They are generally easier to manage and maintain, and many investors choose to rent these properties to generate income. Commercial properties, on the other hand, are properties used for commercial purposes, such as offices, shops, restaurants, and industrial buildings. They can be more complicated to manage and require more effort to find suitable tenants. However, these properties usually have a higher potential for financial return. Land properties are properties without constructions, and can be used for real estate development, construction of houses, or even for resale. Each type of property has its own advantages and disadvantages. When choosing the type of property to invest in, consider your budget, financial goals, and level of skill in property management. It's also important to evaluate the local real estate market and consider demand and supply trends, as well as general economic conditions. By understanding the differences between property types, you'll be better prepared to make an informed decision about which investment is right for you. 2. Financing options. To invest in real estate, you can choose financing options such as a mortgage. It is important to research the different options available, compare interest rates and payment conditions. Additionally, you can also invest in real estate through real estate consortiums or real estate investment funds. Another financing option for investing in real estate is using your own capital. If you have the money to invest, it can be a good option because there is no need to pay interest. Additionally, you can also use funds from your FGTS to purchase real estate. It is important to remember that regardless of the financing type chosen, it is essential to evaluate payment conditions and verify if it is possible to pay the installments. In the case of real estate consortiums, it is a way to save money and invest in real estate at the same time. It works as follows: a group of people come together and contribute a monthly amount, which is used to purchase one or more properties. Each month, one person is drawn and receives credit to acquire the property. It is an interesting option for those who are not in a hurry to acquire the property and want to save money at the same time. Real estate investment funds, on the other hand, are an option for those who want to invest in real estate but do not want to directly manage a property. It is possible to invest in a real estate fund by buying shares, which represent a fraction of the property. Real estate funds are managed by professionals and invest in different types of properties, such as shopping centers, commercial buildings, and industrial warehouses. It is important to remember that the return on real estate funds is variable and depends on market conditions and fund management. 3. Strategies for finding the best properties. To find the best properties for investment, it is important to have a well-defined strategy. It is necessary to research the market, consider the location and potential for property appreciation, and be aware of real estate market trends. One of the main strategies for finding the best properties for investment is to research the real estate market. This can be done through specialized websites, such as real estate portals, which provide a wide variety of properties. It is also recommended to consult real estate brokers and companies specialized in real estate investments. When searching for properties, it is important to consider the location. A property in a well-located neighborhood can be a good choice, as it usually presents a higher potential for appreciation in the future. However, it is necessary to carefully evaluate the local market, as trends can vary according to the region. Another strategy is to be aware of real estate market trends. For example, if there's a growing demand for commercial properties in a certain area, it may be interesting to invest in a commercial property in that region. Additionally, it is also possible to invest in properties for seasonal rentals, such as apartments in tourist regions. Finally, it is important to evaluate the potential for property appreciation. This can be done by considering the infrastructure of the region, such as schools, hospitals, and public transportation, as well as the presence of businesses and services that can add value to the property. With a well-defined strategy, it is possible to find the best properties for investment and have a good financial return. 4. Managing your real estate investments. Once you have invested in one or more properties, it is important to manage your investments well. This includes regular maintenance of the properties, tenant management, and monitoring of the real estate market. In addition, it is important to keep in mind that investing in real estate is a long-term process that requires patience and dedication. It is important to be prepared to deal with any problems or unforeseen circumstances, such as delayed rent payments, emergency maintenance, or legal issues. One of the main responsibilities of the investor is to ensure that the properties are always in good condition. This includes carrying out necessary repairs, such as plumbing and electrical repairs, maintenance of common areas, and hiring cleaning and gardening services. Another important aspect of property management is dealing with tenants. It is necessary to carefully select tenants and ensure that all contracts are clear and fair to both parties. It is also important to be available to answer questions and resolve problems that may arise during the rental period. Finally, it is essential to closely monitor real estate market trends and make adjustments to your investments when necessary. This includes being aware of price fluctuations, changes in supply and demand, and new opportunities that may arise in the market. Investing in real estate can be a profitable long-term strategy if done with care and proper planning. Well, folks, I hope this guide has been useful for you to understand a little more about how to invest in real estate. Remember that it is important to carefully analyze before investing and seek the support of specialized professionals. If you liked the video, don't forget to leave your like and subscribe to the channel to follow more content about finances. See you next time.